Pretty Good Privacy, also known as PGP, is an encryption program that's used for signing, encrypting, and decrypting emails. Over the years, PGP's use has expanded beyond emails though, and includes an entire suite of protocols that can encrypt emails, files, and even entire hard disks. PGP uses an older algorithm though, known as IDEA, which you may remember from our symmetric algorithm lesson. Now, you may be wondering, why didn't I just cover PGP all the way back in the symmetric algorithm lesson then? Well, PGP is actually a hybrid cryptographic tool because it uses the symmetric cipher for the bulk data encryption, but it uses RSA, an asymmetric cipher, to create the digital signatures used in signing its emails and to send the session keys over an untrusted network. This is what I meant before when I said that we often combine both symmetric and asymmetric ciphers to give us a hybrid approach or implementation. Now, PGP uses key sizes of 128 bits or more for its symmetric functions, and key sizes between 512 bits and 2048 bits for its asymmetric function. Over time, PGP became an open source encryption cipher, and as such, it was able to be forked and used for further development. The result of that was GPG. This stands for the New Privacy Guard, and it's an implementation of cryptography that's used to provide you with confidentiality in your data by encrypting it like PGP did. Now, GPG is actually a newer version of PGP, or the Pretty Good Privacy Encryption Suite. The newer GPG uses the more modern AES encryption algorithm instead of that weaker IDEA symmetric algorithm. Now, GPG is a freely available and non-patented encryption solution that's available for Linux, Windows, and Macintosh operating systems. So if you're looking for one to try out, you can download GPG and get started today.